Hello again. This song, The Rambles of Spring, was written by the great balladeer Tommy Makem. This is song number 121 in our series on folk songs and ballads popular in Ireland. If you're interested in checking out the list, click on the link below and have a browse. I'm playing it in the key of G, and we have just 3 chords to look at here. And they're the 3 major chords from the G major scale, and they are G major, C major and D major. Now for the intro, I just picked out the notes of the chorus on the guitar, and if you're interested in learning that, I put the tabs in bundle 1. The song is in 4/4 time, and I'm using a simple accompaniment for the song where on the 1 beat I'm picking a bass note. So for the chord of G major, the bass note, the root note for this chord is G, which is the 6th string fretted here on the 3rd fret. Follow that by a strum. So that's 1, 2, pick 1 beat, down strum for the 2 beat. For the 3 beat I pick another bass note, and I generally alternate that by picking a different string. So for the G chord I pick the 1, 2 and the 3 I pick the 4th string, and for the 4 it's a down strum again. 1, 2, 3, 4. After the down strums on 2 and 4, I'm doing a light up pick as well, so it's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. That's for the G major chord. For the C chord, again, same pattern. I'm going to pick the 1 beat, which this time is the 5th string. We have that fretted here on the 3rd fret. That note is C. That's the root note. 1, 2. And then I'm picking the 4th string for the 3 beat, and then down up again, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. And for the D major chord, the root note this time is on the 4th string, and that's the 1 beat, 1, 2 and for the 3 beat this time I'm going to pick the 5th string. It might be difficult to accurately hit that 4th string and 5th string for your bass notes. Again, don't worry too much about it, that will come with practice. So it's not a fast accompaniment, it sounds like it should be faster, but I think this one works fine.